It is important to remember that one of the most significant discoveries by Mr. Daniel Donatelli is preventing the air from regaining electrons back to the water or ice before the fuel is used. This groundbreaking approach not only stabilizes the fuel but also prevents the reformation of water, thanks to the positively charged ice. This innovation ensures that we have water and gas coexisting without reformation until electrons are reintroduced. This is not merely a scientific breakthrough. It is a leap forward in energy storage and utilization. Mr. Donatelli's research into nano-bubble water with hydrogen, H, and oxygen, O, bubbles further illuminates the potential of his discoveries. While nano-bubble water can freeze, the presence of these bubbles influences the freezing process, creating unique properties in the ice form. These nanobubbles act as nucleation sites, promoting heterogeneous nucleation, which affects the structure and stability of the ice. Moreover, nanobubble water fuel, even in its ice form, can be combusted under specific conditions. The combustion of hydrogen and oxygen trapped within the ice requires the phase change from ice to water, releasing these gases which then form a combustible mixture. With the right ignition source, this mixture can indeed burn, showcasing the dual potential of fire and ice, fuel within ice. Additionally, the flame can be slowed by adding non-combustible gases into the ice mixtures of nanobubble water fuels. The concept of nanobubble water fuels sustaining a flame on its surface is equally compelling. When hydrogen and oxygen gases are released from the water, they create a flammable mixture above the water's surface. Under optimal conditions, this can sustain a flame, proving the viability of nanobubble water fuel as a continuous energy source.